Ladies and gentlemen, today is March 24th, 2015. I'm going to share with you another funny joke played by Night Brokerage, trying to support the terrorists behind scene. Piscataway, New Jersey is a crowded city, tons of tolls. You can't get there without spending at least 3-4 hours for 48 miles. And turnpike, tolls, traffic jams, you name it, restrictions. It's a tight city. Now, how is it possible in a 4.23 to 5 loads against one truck, and the guy wants you to lose money to drive for him? In normal economics, the more demand, the more rate goes up. Here's the New Jersey shows 23,964 loads, 4.23 loads posted against one truck. That's a darn strong market in New Jersey. What the hell this guy is talking about? And if you really want to go back into how many loads posted within 100 miles, I can show you that. That is a very strong market. 1201 loads posted within 100 miles of this area. Now that is like a huge amount of demand. Posting running at 20 posts per minute. And somehow this retard, who's probably supporting the terrorism behind the scene, Night Brokerage in Phoenix, Arizona, 5601 Buckeye Road, Phoenix, Arizona, this, whatever the bullshit his name is, 866-500-5623 is the telephone number. MC number is 526-581. He is posting this load from Piscataway, New Jersey to Petersburg, Virginia, which is past another 50-60 miles down south of Richmond, Virginia. Now let's go back and look at the route, how the route looks like. Piscataway in New Jersey, that is a bad area. And Petersburg, Virginia. Petersburg, Virginia is another city which will require you to go through Richmond, Virginia, and that is a traffic jam possibility right there. So let me just show you how the market looks like, the route looks like. Here's where my truck is parked. It's about 50-60 miles going up in the traffic, turnpike and all that bullshit. And then you go by Delaware Memorial Bridge. They charge you about $60. And then Delaware wants some money. And then there's Baltimore, Fort McHenry Tunnel, and Washington D.C. requires you another 2 hours in traffic. It's not an easy run, and nobody can do that for $650. He's fucking bullshitting people for no reason, or he's just supporting the lowballing required by the terrorist group behind the scene. Now, what the market should be, the bottom line according to that shows $820 is your break-even point. Now if you want to make a couple bucks to run, you should be asking around $1,150. How this guy comes out with $650, that's beyond me. That's the only reason he could do that is when he is required or threatened to do that kind of retarded posting. So just wanted to share with you night brokerage for you. Posting $650 load and going through Baltimore, Washington DC, Richmond, Virginia, and coming out of tolls and traffic jams of New Jersey, Piscataway. More power to these big gangs.